So now we try to demonstrate how the ball modeling actually looks like. So the robot looks at the ball and I can move the ball around and it will follow the ball with the camera. It will look up a couple of times all the time, don't worry about that, that's just because otherwise it loses its self-localization. So it will look in different directions, but mainly it focuses on the ball. And now if I kick the ball and kick it behind the black pole, the robot can't see the ball anymore. But it should still know that the ball is going this way and search for the ball in this area. So let's see if that works. And it looks in the right direction because it knows the ball moved this way when it last saw the ball, and then it will look this way to search for the ball the next time. I will do it one more. So here's the ball, it looks at the ball, and now I kick the ball behind the pole, and it will follow the ball and look in the right direction to find it again. Oops. Okay. Okay, so the next thing we want to show you is one more piece of the graphical user interface, which is used to change the special actions. The special actions are things are like kicks or get up motions and stuff like that. And we just want to show you how easy it is with our software to change one of the special actions. So first we do the simple, the normal kick, as we always do it when we want to kick towards the goal. And we just execute this motion as usual. Oh, sorry, the wrong foot. So, one more. This is the normal kick we do all the time. So, the question is, what happens if we want to do a different kick? If we want to kick slowly, for example, to make a pass or something like that. And it's very easy to change that by just changing one parameter in the kicking motion, by just changing one time value. So the motion will be executed slower than before, and it will kick a lot softer. Oh, that was soft. Okay, that would work. Try it again. The value was still too high, so it was still too fast. We'll make a really slow kick now. Okay? No? Du musst mal die Werte richtig erhöhen auf 1000. One more try. Sorry about that, it's a live demonstration, so it's always hard to get everything right. Okay, one more. Ah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. So with this, we can actually do soft kicks, we can do passing and all these things. And we've implemented that in our passing channels, for example. So we have the robots walk around on the field and they know where their teammates are, and then they do a really soft kick to make a pass, because it's not possible for us at the moment to stop the ball softly, so we have to kick it really softly so it stops at the other robot. This is the only way we can do passing at the moment. But it worked quite well with the system and we can automate this very easily. So just to show you what the robot sees, we will just project a few images coming directly from the robot camera. And this, for example, is the color table dialog I've talked about before. On the left side, you see the original image from the camera, and on the right side, you see the segmented image, which has been segmented manually. So this is not automated yet to make this segmentation, but it's completely done manually. And here you can see the three-dimensional color space, and you can, it's slowly rotating, so you can see it from all directions. But this is basically our color space we segment these images in, and you see which parts of the color space are segmented in orange, yellow, white, blue, and so on. So this is our image viewer, and we can see the current image of the robot. It's a little bit slow because of the wireless connection, so it will take a little bit to update. But now you see, I've turned the robot, the image moves, and it will show you where it sees, for example, the yellow goal in the back, or it will mark the white lines in front of it with markers. So you can debug the image processing in this very well. You can see in real time what the robot sees and what it doesn't see. For example, you see the ball down on the right, which has an orange circle around it, meaning the robot has actually recognized the ball as the right and correct ball. But you can also see that there are presets somewhere on the top part of the image where there shouldn't any, so there's always some wrong presets which shouldn't be there. So it's really important to not only use these presets, but make a model for each object and feed these presets into the model so that you can filter out the wrong presets.